Withdrawing money from your iCloud account after an account review can seem complicated, but it can be done easily by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Sign into your iCloud account. Visit the iCloud website or open the iCloud app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section that displays your account balance and transaction history. Step 3. Request account review. If your account is under review, follow the prompts to request a review. This may involve verifying your identity or providing additional information as required by Apple. Step 4. Wait for approval. After submitting your request, wait for Apple to complete the account review process. You will receive a notification via email or through the app once the review is complete. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the dashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from your iCloud account after it has been reviewed. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date for a smooth process.